Here we created this model completely. Now we need to create clash check. For clash check, I just remove rain gutter, sheet, clashing and all. Double click this outside, then go to the object group, make it here filter like this. Part name does not contain, you have to use like this. Then modify, click OK. Now you will get it only structure. Now you can select the object, then go to manage tab. Here it is clash check. Then click here. Within few seconds you will get it all the clashes here. Here total clash, you can see here all the clashes. Total we have this much clashes, and if you go here you can see all the clashes. You can double click the clash, it will go to the clash. It will go to the clash. Now you can see here it will go to the clash. But these all the clashes, very minor clashes, so no need to worry about it. Definitely this kind of area you will get it small clashes. See here, this kind of area you will get it small clashes. Definitely don't worry about it, this kind of clashes. Same kind of clashes only you will get it small clashes, maybe less than 1 mm you will get it the clashes. But you have to check all the things. If you found any major clashes, you can remove the clashes, otherwise you can just leave it. If any image, you can check one by one, so you can see where you have clashes. So it is not a big clashes, you can just close this one. This is the way you can perform clash check. Definitely this kind of structure you never get big clashes. Definitely you will get it small clashes between this one and between this one. Small clashes definitely you will get it, but that is not a big deal. Just leave it. But if you have any major clashes, sometime you can see here this one and this column is clashing, that is big clashes, we have to remove. Small clashes, no need to worry about it, it will solve. Less than 1 mm or 1 mm, it is not a problem.